What's up all, welcome back again to our channel All Things With Us, and welcome back again for another amazing video. So here, as you can see on the screen, I have the metal bars or the metal frame that I've already did make them off camera, and I have the tops. You have seen me cutting the round circles, so now I'm just going to be attaching them so that I can use my ankle grinder to sand the edges of the top so that they can flash well with the frame, but that you will see in the next clip here. So if you're new here, feel much welcome. If you're already a subscriber, thank you for always supporting us, coming back and watching our videos, liking them and sharing. Thank you so much. And if this is the kind of content or videos that you like watching in YouTube, kindly subscribe to our channel, hit the notification bell so that you always get notified whenever we upload new videos. So this is how the frame looks. We have the small table and the bigger table, but the measurements I'm going to be leaving them in the description box below, so that is if you want to try something like this on your own. And now I'm going to be using this chrome gold spray paint to paint the frames, and after that I'm going to leave them to dry up. As they dry up, I'm going to be making the tops of these tables, and I'm going to be using the Formica, the marble effect Formica, and I'll be using contact glue to attach the Formica to the tops. Then after that, for the edges, I'm going to wrap the edges using lipping tape and also using the same glue, that is the contact glue. But all that you'll see as the video goes by. So don't forward the video, just keep watching the video till the end so that you can fully understand or see all the steps, materials and everything that I've used in this DIY today. So enjoy the video till the end. Don't forget to like it, comment and share.